Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Keeps accurate time anywhere in the world. This is the world's first ever full metal GPS hybrid wave scepter that receives both GPS satellite and standard radio waves in US, Europe, China, and Japan. Oceanus OCW G1000. When location information is picked up from a GPS satellite, it uses map data with a grid that places regional zones in 500-meter increments to determine position even more accurately, and automatically analyzes time zone information to adjust the time. It can give an accurate timekeeping anytime. It prioritizes standard radio waves in areas where such waves can be received. And in other areas, it receives time data from GPS satellites. This allows it to receive time data anywhere in the world with all the convenience of a radio wave watch. This means you'll have the correct time always, no matter where in the world you are. It also automatically determines your location's daylight savings time information and instantly adjusts the time for the current location. The dual dial world time feature elegantly displays international time. It allows city selection for world time with a simple operation of the crown, synchronizing instantly. It lets you check 2 cities simultaneously. For reliable wave reception in the titanium case, the Oceanus features an exclusive tuning system with a newly developed GPS antenna mounted in a carefully selected position. To improve texture of numbers on the dial and generate large amounts of power for the GPS signal reception, it uses advanced high-efficiency shadow dispersion solar cell, improving efficiency with no loss in GPS signal sensitivity. Plus, the combination of GPS signal reception and radio wave reception systems on a single circuit board ensures both sensitivity and compactness while enabling a full metal casing. Casio's technologies are brought together in this achievement of a full metal GPS hybrid wave scepter watch. The latest technologies are included in the elegant metal casing the Oceanus is renowned for. An elegant form with a titanium frame that combines lightweight with a luxurious feel. Titanium carbide treatment that makes the case nearly impossible to scratch. Sapphire crystal with dual-sided non-reflective coating that reduces scratches and reflection, all with very clear transparent visibility. A beautiful blue produced through sputtering treatment. The pinnacle of refined technologies in the pinnacle of brilliance. Accurate time reception anywhere in the world. Elegance and technology. That's the Oceanus OCW G1000.
In this work.